Hey, what's going on, guys? Check out this video with Gifted. I taught the things them about the situation with Cash Queen. Alright? Like, share, and subscribe.
Up with them like a all-time girl we feel like them mad. Feel like them mad. Who the fuck is you and your man? Who the fuck is Uno? Huh? Your man is somebody where them put on bed and ride in blood clot face like a fucky man. Select a bumbo clot man will walk and suck girl pussy. Everywhere him go. All pan your bed in fuck girl. Right now, me can name out all your blood clot bedroom look. How do them? That's why I make don't you know who for frightened, you know? Don't you know who for frightened? Don't you really know who for frightened? Don't you know who for blood clot frightened? Don't you know my son up on the gram? And oh my. I'm not try Gifted. Go over there when you see them on the live. Tell them say you're not Cash Queen them for comfort. I Gifted them for comfort. Make them know say you're not Cash Queen face you for boss. A Gifted face on for boss. Please go over there and tell them when them come on gram. I do the most. Tell them say low Cash Queen. Alright. You don't beat up. Try Gifted now. Clot NOC send. Don't you know who for frightened? Don't you know who for frightened? Cause guess what? Alright. Boy, your boss girl face and boss lip and cut in her face. And you live for the pan IG run off your blood clot mouth. And you live for the pan IG. Them two blood clot enough. Them two enough. Or them get in an argument. Them two enough. One person. Oh no notice that. One person them feel like them have strength for. One person the girl will ride her man face. We a fuck her man. Or select a man. She not argue with. The two of them turn up in the same party. Side by side. She can't do nothing. Nothing at all. I fought like the deal. Me live. Me know the whole of them business. Me know them business. The girl will ride her man face. Can't do nothing. So how no so act for one person? Me no understand this. Me no understand this. Me no get it. Argument, people blood clot. Argument. Cause them know say Cash Queen daughter I go college. And Cash Queen have to work for pay for the girl college and them something there. Cash Queen have kids where go somewhere. So she have to watch what she do so she can't get arrested. Or she can't get them something. Fuck with Gifted. Now have a government job a pussy Gifted sell. Fuck with Gifted. Fuck with. When I go over there, go tell them something. Fuck with Gifted. No. Fuck with Gifted, girl. Girl, more than just jumping at the blood clot here and just put in your body. Me a lick your body in the blood clot wall with the car, girl. Me a murder you. Anyone that own upon this bumbo clot, but me in a person and try me, I dead you're dead. Try Gifted. Try Gifted. Try Gifted. Wrong Cash Queen is the wrong one. Try Gifted. Wanna sound no bad? Make we test the theory day. Make we test the theory day of badness. Make we test how bad Uno is. Pick past somebody who in the same caliber as Uno. Uno have gone, me have gone. Make we see who kill who first. Try Gifted. Try Gifted. Oh, this woman, man. We are fuck me have evidence and prove every no bro no. So what's about Cash Queen? Me no understand. Me no under owner so at fear like on want to suck out her pussy or something. Excuse my language, puppy. What about Cash Queen? So this obsession with Cash Queen is getting beyond. Una can't find nobody else for war with Panagram. No matter how I come for the girl, mom, I'll know she not reach my gate yet. Me wait for a girl for reach my gate. Oh, so no think a soft soap. Not true. Put scarp on oh, me no burn up your face with acid, girl. Me mix it and put rice in it. Mix it with glass. Try Gifted, no? Wanna go over there go tell them so try Gifted, no? Try Gifted. Please. Try Gifted. Try Gifted. Bossa back in a my one. At the karaoke when on blood clot to talk about. Me I got there in a day. Me I got there. Try Gifted. Try Gifted. Try anywhere me go with Cash Queen, I wanna touch her. Touch her while Gifted did it. Touch her while Gifted is there. Touch her while Gifted is there. Uno to blood clot torment. Uno to enough. Uno to enough. Uno to torment. Uno come pa IG call here while like argument and I put in on two toes and oh 7 years ago uno war the fuck you get back over here so with the blase. Huh? 7 years for sure you say you're not even have no use. Me no play with girl at 17 are we. 17 brothers and sisters are we. Play with girl baby. One bumbo clap per. I fear her pussy she fuck who she want fuck. We are all big people. We fuck who they fuck. Who we want fuck. We fuck any girl husband or any girl man. How we say fuckies? How we say feed we? Which one I wanna feed we? Eh? Which one I wanna put blood clot bread or appear we like below whatever? All you do, bring your man come on when me fucking blood clot y'all defend it. Bust a buckle in my head. Bust a buckle in my blood clot head. Coming out hold no pussy round here. Bust a buckle in my head, girl. You see how it. Yo, don't put no for fright, you know. Don't put me 5 minutes from your apartment. 5 blood clot minute we can walk and link up and meet up. 5 minutes coming over on sleep. I want thing Gifted study our enemies them. All when you don't know say me a your blood clot enemy. Cause me not have to call out my enemy them. Me not have to call me now make you know say me a do your things. Me just do your things. Eh? What interview with me not even know if it scroll down and you will see Wagwan mama. Scroll down and you will see Wagwan. Scroll down and you will see Wagwan. But me I watch it me I say bust buckle in a face, cut out face. And the pangram a brag. You crazy. You mad. Cut out 4 face. This year right here, so I argue with man pan phone about blood clot a fuck pan me. And me lick a curve and it car flip over 3 times and dig out my face. Post buckle in a 4 face. Beat who? Who? Who beat who? Licky man we never got blood clot party go buy a buckle of beer. Stand up, they gonna stand up beside people buckle and beg liquor. Me not throw poison in your blood clot like a girl. All when me can't win you. I mean, I drive behind you, got your blood clot yard and wet you up in the parking lot. Beat. Ooh. I mean, I go under your car, go cut the blood clot brakes when your blood clot pick me. You know me? Me will murder you know. Stop playing with me thing. Stop playing with me. Lick. You know what? I got Put my saga bag of TV, go watch them something. And tell me if them something are real. Girl cut out a brag about she cut up Cash Queen. She be cut when? Which part? Which girl? Tried. You know what? Come off of this gram, yeah. Cause every time I talk about it, my head a boss. Cut who? He's not your child, he's not your picnic. Over one dirty man will walk and suck out girl pussy with straw. What fucky doggish man? Cut who? When? Where? How? Live for tell what tales? Which? Wanna have a nice night, yeah? I gotta put my son to bed. Wanna have a nice night. I can't. My head no. My head feel like it a go. My head feel like it a go like more than just see them girl and just start fire shotting at them blood clot face.